Welcome to Jackie Burns Creations, 30 Days of Christmas Ornaments. Okay, this is part 2 of painting on these wood rounds. Like I said in my other video, it was a little tough painting on these because they were really rough. But I just had to kind of keep going over it. So I painted in the white part earlier, setting that aside to dry. Now I'm going to work on the bears. Just paint in their muzzle. Guess I didn't capture me painting them white, but I used chalk paint to do this. And I'm using an apple barrel on the muzzle. It's a tan. Okay, and I used my heat gun to dry it. Now I'm going over it a little bit again. Now I could have just left it because it's pretty much about the same color as the wood, but it's easier to go over it with the paint pen. Now here I'm using the Sharpie oil-based paint pen. Papa bear, mama bear, and baby bear. Always cracks me up though when they show the polar bears and the penguins together because they don't live in the same part of the world. One lives north, one lives south. They look like they're having a what moment. Okay, now I'm going to paint my tree. I am using a multitude of greens, showing you the different colors. There was a shamrock and a forest and just quite a few different shades. That big bottle I got at Michael's, it was a clearance for like 75 cents. Now I'm using the darkest first as my base. Just using really light touch to go down. You don't really see the stem in the long run, but it helps at the guide to know where to paint. Made the branches go down a little too low, and so I'm trying to get them more straightened out to the side. Now, just with the same brush, I dip into a different color. I don't care because they're going to kind of blend together anyway. Kind of a medium. Now I'm going in with a little lighter, the olive type green. And I just kind of dab it here and there. Because you want all the colors to really show through. Try to leave the darkest in the middle. Now I'm going in with the light. But what I'm doing is I'm just kind of going on the edge of the branches where the sun would be showing a little bit in the middle. Drawing the stem down. Putting a little more dark in the middle. Go ahead and try it. It's fun, you know. I mean, don't worry about it being so tight. Just dab it here, dab it there. I see some people and they just worry about it being so perfect, so tight. Just take little dabs at it. Okay, that gray I used on the gnome's hat, I took and watered it down just a little bit. Now I'm making some shadows. See how I'm just kind of dabbing it here and there, or making some little bumps in the snow. Okay, now I got some white. And since I got snow on the ground, I better put some snow on the tree. I hope you enjoyed these painting ornaments. You should try it. It's fun. Don't think, oh, I can't do it. Yes, you can. It's like just filling in the spots. Like I say, don't try to be heavy-handed with it. Just dab at it. Now, something like the bears, you can, you know, do it like a color book because it's kind of a cartoon. Now you could always paint the background if you wanted. I left it rustic and with the wood. Now I'm just putting in little dots of white for snow. Sometimes you can use the edge of your brush, and other times I just am using the brush there. Okay, what do you think? I think they came out cute. Go ahead and try it. It's fun. Very relaxing too. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye for now.